Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing little twin stars. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the sister on the right side. We'll start with a curve down, and then bring it over to the right. Now inside on the left, let's draw a circle for the eye. And then the other eye on the right here. Now let's color them both in black. Next, in between at the bottom, let's draw a curve for the mouth. Next, let's hop over on the right side and draw a curve for the ear. Next, let's hop up and draw the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up. And let's continue drawing bumps all the way across. Next, let's hop up and draw the top of her hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve over and then curve it down. Now let's leave a small gap and do the same thing down on the right. Now above the gap, let's draw two bumps like this. Next, let's hop back down. At the end of the hair, let's draw a curve down and then curve it back up. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's take a pause on the hair for now and let's move back inside and draw the body. Let's start with a curve underneath the head. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw two curves down for the sides of the dress. And then connect them at the bottom with a wavy line. Next, let's add the arms. On the right side, let's draw a curve down. And then for the left arm, let's draw two angled lines down. And then connect them at the end. Now that we've finished drawing the arms, let's continue drawing the hair now. For the left side, let's draw one more curve down to the arm. And then for the right, let's draw two bumps. And that's it for the hair. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down. Then underneath of this, let's draw a curve over and then bring it back up. Now for the left foot, let's draw a curve down in the middle and then one more on the left side. Now let's hop over on the left and let's draw the brother. Let's start by drawing the shape of the face in the same way. Let's start with a small curve down. And then let's bring it over to the left. Next, inside, let's draw two circles for the eyes. Now let's color them both in black. And now let's add the mouth with a curve in between. Next, let's draw the ears. Let's draw a curve on the right side of the face and on the left. Now let's hop up and draw the hair. We'll start by drawing curved lines across the top here. Next, above the right ear, let's draw a curve up into the sister's hair. Now let's continue that same curve above over to the left. And then let's leave a gap and then draw a curve down to the ear. And lastly, above the gap, let's draw two curves. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with the curve under the neck. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw two curves down. And then a wavy line across the bottom. Now let's hop back up and draw the arms. On the left side, let's draw a curve down. And then for the other arm, let's draw two diagonal lines towards the center here. And then let's close off the end. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start with a curve down, and then underneath a curve around and back up. And then two curves for the right foot. Next, let's move to the center and draw their hands holding. Let's start underneath the brother's sleeve and let's draw a curved line down and back up. Then let's add a bump at the end. Now underneath this finger, let's draw the girl's hand. Let's start with the first finger like this, then curve it down and back up for the thumb. Now let's draw the rest of the brother's hand behind. Let's draw a curve down and back up for the first finger, and then two more fingers with bumps underneath like this. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move back to the brother and draw the ribbon holding the star. Let's start inside on the body and let's draw a rounded rectangle shape like this. Then from the top, let's draw a loop out to the left and out to the right. Then from the end, let's curve it down and back in. And the same on the other side. And then inside, let's add a small curve on both sides. Now on the left, let's draw two curves over and two curves on the right. Next, let's draw the pieces of ribbon hanging down. Let's draw two angles down on the left and two on the right. And then close them off at the ends. Next, let's hop up above the left arm and let's draw 2 angles up to continue the ribbon up like this. And then a curve to close it off. And now let's do the same thing above the right arm, but this time let's draw 2 curves up to a point like this. And that's it for the ribbon. Next, let's draw the star on his back. Let's start above the head and let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. And now let's do the same thing going out on the left. And now a larger curve point down. Now let's hop back over into the middle and draw the other side of the star. Let's draw a point under the hands. Then let's bring it up above the arms here. And then one more bent line next to the right ear. And that's it for little twin stars. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!